You ever wake up one morning, pick up your phone, and see someone online saying, "I just made $4,000 with AI last week," and you're like, "Wait, what am I doing wrong? Which AI tool did they use? What steps did they follow? And why is nobody giving the full blueprint?" Well, today, I'm doing what nobody on YouTube wants to do. I'm giving you the exact free AI money checklist that people are quietly using to make money online in this year. And guess what? You can download it today. You can start today. And you don't need money, skills, experience, or followers. This is not motivation. It's not theory. This is literally a step-by-step checklist that can change your bank account if you follow it. If you're serious about making money online, stay with me. You'll understand why. By the end of this video, you will walk away with a complete money-making AI system you can copy even if you're a total beginner. A downloadable checklist breaking everything down step by step. My personal framework for turning free AI tools into daily income. 3 different ways to start earning even if you have 0 skills today. A proof-backed strategy that works anywhere. Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, US, UK, anywhere. Lifetime skills that can replace your 9-5 stress permanently. And a challenge that, if you take seriously, can help you make your first $150 to $500 online faster than you think. And listen, once you have this checklist, you won't need to guess again. No more, which tool works? Which one is fake? Where do I start? This is the video people will save, download, rewatch, and thank me for later. So stay with me, you're going to love this. Come with me. Let me be real for a moment. People are not struggling because the internet is hard. People are struggling because there is too much information, not enough clear steps. Too many gurus telling you just use AI, but nobody is telling you how. So you try all the tools, ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, Runway, and then, step 1, pick your AI money path. From the checklist, you'll see 3 money paths. 1. Digital content creation, which happens to be reels, YouTube shorts, faceless videos, or thumbnails. 2. Digital product creation. That is, ebooks, guides, or templates. 3. Service-based income. This is you doing copywriting, design, video editing, or automation. Just pick a single one, not 3. Step 2. Choose the free AI tools for your path easily. Depending on your choice, from the checklist shown once you make your choice, these are the AI tools you will use to start making money easily. For content creators, use ChatGPT+, CapCut+, Canva plus Runway. For digital product creators, use ChatGPT plus Canva plus Gamma AI. For service-based creators, use ChatGPT plus Opus Clip plus Notion AI plus 11 Labs. This eliminates confusion. Step 3. Use the daily money making prompts. The checklist gives you plug-and-play prompts like 1. Write me a viral YouTube script. 2. Generate digital product ideas. Reason 4. Thinking AI replaces work. No. AI saves time. You make the money. When you treat AI like a magic button, you fail. When you treat it like a tool, you win. Today, I'll fix all of that. So let's talk about the solution, your free AI money checklist, and how to use it to start earning today. Let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, a friend of mine called Christabel was stuck. She lost her job, was behind on bills, and honestly didn't know what to do next. I gave him the same AI checklist I'm giving you today. Just steps, no confusion, no guru talk, just a simple guide that even a beginner could follow. Fast forward, Christabel is now making money editing Instagram Reels. With AI, she's earning $50 to $100, even $200 for short projects. Why? Because she had a system. Let me walk you through the same system. 3. Turn this raw footage into a powerful reel. 4. Write a marketing copy for a small business. This is where you stop guessing and start producing. Step 4. Apply the 30-minute AI workflow. This is the workflow you'll follow daily. 1. Generate ideas with AI. 2. Create content or products with AI. 3. Polish and personalize. 4. Publish or deliver. 5. Repeat. This builds momentum. Step 5. Monetize professionally. The checklist also shows you where to sell your skills, where to sell your digital products, how to collect payments, how to price your offers, how to scale beyond $1K in a month. You don't just learn, you start earning. 6. Lesson. If there's one thing I want you to take from this video, it's this. Money follows clarity. Clarity comes from having a checklist. AI doesn't change your life, your system does. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a simple process you can repeat every day. People fail because they try to freestyle success. But success is not freestyle. Success is a formula. And today, I'm giving you that formula. Alright, before you go, if you want the exact free AI money checklist that I just walked you through, the one that breaks everything down step by step, the one you can start using today, click the link below and download it. It's free. It's simple. It's beginner friendly. And it might be the single document that changes how you make money online in a year. Download it. Save it. Use it. And come back later to tell me your results. I'll see you inside. Let's make money with AI starting today. Stay blessed as we meet again in the next video.